Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Please, sir, what is the difference between Nigeria and UAR?
Very, very clear, understand. Nigeria is a frustrated UAR, while UAR is an upcoming frustrated Nigeria. Nigeria have misplaced leaders in power, while UAR is a suggestion of a misplaced priority. Nigeria sends soldiers to war, while UAR are planning to send coppers to war. Nigeria citizens are called Nigerians, while UAR citizens are called Uranians, or Urine for short, or Urine for short. Instead of our leaders to change the situation of this country, they are planning to change the name of this country. If they like, they should change it from UAR to UBE or even to UBA. It will not take away our sorrow. Our sorrows remains our sorrow. Because in Latin, they said Ilometus Vadelus Lumen. It is only in light that you will see light. Instead of our leaders to give us UBE, Universal Basic Education, they want to give us UAR, United African Republic. You have not been able to unite Nigerians. You want to unite Africa. Well done. Not only Republic, now republish. Rubbish. Hey. Do you know that in the Nigeria coat of arms, the motto says unity and faith, comma, peace and progress. Why we dey put comma? Why we dey put comma? No wonder the country is in a comma. Even this country, Nigeria, don't tire for us. Nigeria need to go on vacation in another country. Nigeria need to go IT for another country. Make Nigeria go do industrial training for another country. How can you have a family that is into corruption, that is into stealing, that is into looting, that is into electoral malpractice, into maladministration, into killing, into kidnapping, into banditry, into so many things. Instead of you to change your family, you want to change your family name. See where you want to disguise.
Sorosoke John.
Give me mic. Nigeria is a country where illiterate will contest for election and professors will call the result.
Give me more light.
A country where non-entity will be in positions and competency will be roaming on the streets. Few years ago, they promised us change. Now they want to change the name of our country. No wonder they said the only thing that is constant is change. A country where political thugs and criminals are flying private jets and first class, while first class graduates and professors are flying economy because we have a failed economy. My brother, do you know that the busiest place in this country right now is the international airport? Because when evil people run for elections and win, the good citizens run for their lives to survive.
Why are you running?
How can we have leaders that gave us loot instead of food, that gave us potholes instead of roads, that gave us maladministration instead of education, that gave us corruption instead of correction, that supply us generators instead of power supply, and now instead of change, they want to give us a naming ceremony? With the way people are running away from this country, very soon this country will no longer have citizens again. We will not be the citizens that other countries will have. Do you know that with the amount of money in some people's account, if they share 1 million naira to every Nigerians, they will still have some money left in their account? At their old age, they still want to run for election. You that cannot work from year to year, how can you now run for election?
Oh my God!
But the government of them all, the general overseer of them all is UAE. Do you know that it is because of UAE Nigerians are thinking of UAR?